Okay, back to ArchiCAD tutorial number 3, I think. So we've had a little play in the library, in the object tool library. I better show you how to put a floor in. So a floor is called a slab. So if we double click on slab, it should be automatically set to this. You can set the slab to whatever you want by clicking into here, but we can just keep it at that slab thickness of 343. Again, you can change the material. So there's carpet and floorboards and all sorts in here. You could just set all three the same. If you want to change them, you can unlock them and change the rest maybe underneath to concrete. Maybe the floorboards are sitting on concrete. When you're happy, you can click OK. You want to be on this method up here where you can draw one line at a time. There are different methods here. But with one line at a time, it means that as you start to draw your floor, you could have a timber floor in your kitchen and your lounge, or you could have the whole timber floor and then put some carpet over the top like a mat, and I'll show you how to do that in another tutorial. So just going to zoom in a little bit here. For now, I am just going to draw a slab. It's going to go to the outside of your walls all the way around. So it is one floor, and I can change things a bit later. So if I go to the 3D view, there we go, we've got a floor. Yay. Now we probably want to set up some walls because you might have a bathroom in your sleep out. So just remember going back to your wall tool, changing this top view to single wall. There it is, single wall. So I can click and make some walls. You need to put your walls in all the way across and then put your doors in afterwards, which I will show you. So put your walls all the way across and then we insert our doors. So there I've got a couple of rooms there. I have no idea what I'm going to do with them yet. Let's go into door tool. So that's next to the wall tool. There's heaps and heaps of doors. So it's like a library part of doors. The door 23 is just your standard door. And you've got different styles here you can choose. So if you go into style, you can have glass, you can have a grid, you can have a front door looking door, whatever you like. You can choose door handles there. And you can also choose the different materials of your doors and door settings and openings. This is where it can get a little bit tricky to find them in different library parts. It usually sits under model attributes. No. This model attributes. Nope. Door left height. Have I clicked into that one? There it is, model attributes. So look for that. So it's currently set to a timber door, so I can keep that, or you can choose to change that to white doors, black doors, whatever you like, whatever goes with your original drawings that you wish to communicate for your design. So I'm just going to change all of them to black. Why not? And go OK. So with the door, it's set up the top to 900 wide. That's really massive for an internal door. 900 wide's really unusual for a door width. I think, again, this is an American program, so perhaps that's their normal door width over there. But in New Zealand, our internal door widths are 760. It's also a pretty high looking door too, 2.1 metres. That's really high as well. So in New Zealand we have 2 metre high doors. So 760, 325, do that again. Yep, okay, we're good. So that sets the normal door width and height. If you are wanting to do an external door, like your entrance door, a normal entrance door in New Zealand would be 810 wide. If you're doing double ranch sliders, they're also in the door tool. So let's just click. This is a very organic process. I have no idea what I'm designing here, but let's just go for it. There we go. And annoyingly, ArchiCAD show these little symbols, so we can actually get rid of them. They're just like symbols for architects to show the width and the height. Right click, door selection settings. And here we go. Is it down here? Dimension marker. There we go. We're just going to go no marker. Yay, and it looks nice and clean. This was a new feature they added last year, and it's not a particularly nice feature for us. So again, dimension marker, no marker. You can set that before you click your doors in too. I kind of did it a bit backwards because I forgot that they were set like that. If you put your doors in the wrong place and you want to move them, it's just like an object. So select that door and Control D and just drag it across, because I want to put it against the wall so I'm not wasting that space there. That's probably enough for now. That's your slabs and how to do internal doors.